Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you 3 best free virtual private network for Windows, Mac, Linux, Chromebook, Android and iOS devices. So without further more delay, let's begin. So on the first list we have the Ultra Sharp. So just open any web browser and in the Google search just search for the application name as Ultra Sharp, and you will see a tons of website link, right? So you can see below here website name as ultrasharp.us. so this is the official website of this application, so just click on it. So you can see here its official website. So on the above you can see here download, just click on download. Now here you can see it's available for the iOS, that is for iPhone, iPad, even for available for Android. And you can see you can use it in the Chrome web browser, you can use it in the Windows, so you can use it in the Linux and Chromebooks also using a Chrome extension. So you need to use a Chrome browser on your Chromebook or Linux computers to use this Ultra Sharp. So right now I will just download this Windows client. You can use the Chrome extension also if you use a Chrome web browser. So wait for a few seconds. So the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me minimize this web browser. So you can see here the application, just double left click it to run this software. So you don't need to install it, you can see here it's already showing you connected. So the virtual private network of this Ultra Sharp application is already connected. As you can see here, it's connected. So now let us try to browse any website again, so if it works or not. So let me go to the Google. So finally it's working. So if you want to turn it off, you can just click on exit and you can get some more options. You can see here this import or restart you can do. You can exit it if you want to exit, and you can just launch it back if you are in the need from the folder or the downloaded folder where you have downloaded this file. You can just double left click it. You can see here it's connecting again. So once it shows you connected, that means your virtual private network using Ultra Sharp is being connected. So it's a very minimal and straightforward applications, but the good thing is that it's totally free of cost and you can use it even in your smartphones as well as any computer platforms. So definitely a very good free virtual private network that you should definitely check it out by yourself. On the second list we have the Proton VPN. So once again open any web browser and in the Google search just search for the application name as Proton VPN. So on the first list it will say its official website, just click on it. So you can see here the official website. You can read if you want to read the instruction if you wish. You can see here it's available for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Chromebook, Android, Android TV, and also available for iOS and iPad OS. So whatever platform you're using on your respective computer or smartphones, you can get this software. So right now I'm using a Windows, so I'll just click on Windows to go to the download link. So I will just click on here to download. So it's starting to download, so wait for a few more seconds until the complete downloading of this software is done. So the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder again where it is being downloaded and let me minimize this web browser. So you can see here the software installer, just double left click it to run the installer. So just proceed by clicking on next. Click on next. So here you can see the requirements. So if you have not installed this needed applications, so just select so you can see here in my case the .NET framework is already installed, so this required file is not being installed, so it will automatically select and click on next. So it will start downloading and installing these required files along with to install this software. So have patience, wait for a few more seconds until the complete installation is done. Now just click on next to proceed with the installation. Now finally click on install to do the final installation. So wait for a few more seconds until the complete installation is done. So finally the installation has been completed. Now click on finish. Now you can see a desktop shortcut as you can see here. So just double click it to open or run this software. So on the first time you are opening this applications, it will show this kind of user interface. So it will ask you to put your username and password. So if you have not created a pre-account on the Proton VPN website, then just click on this create account and create your Proton VPN account. So without using a account, you can use this VPN. So I have already created my free account on my Proton VPN, so I'll just put my username and password too. And once you put your username and password, just click on login. So finally you can see the user interface of these applications. You can take a tour or you can just skip this. So finally you can see this kind of user interface once you start using this Proton VPN. So on the left side you can see here Quick Connect, right? So just click on Quick Connect to connect to the virtual private network. So finally we have connected successfully. So you can see everything here on the left side, and you can see which country VPN it is connected automatically. So let us check out if it works or not. So let me open a web browser and let us choose a website name as Google, say whether it's working or not. So finally it's working. So even you can see here it's auto detecting the server websites, right? So it's perfectly working. So in my opinion, it's also a very good free virtual private network for Windows, Mac, Linux, Chromebook, Android and iOS device that you should definitely check it out by yourself. On the third list we have the BetterNet VPN. So once again open any web browser and in the Google search just search for the application name as BetterNet VPN, and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. So you can see its official website. So it's auto detecting my operating system, so it's showing me a download option for the Windows computer, as right now I'm using a Windows computer, but it's available for different computer operating system as well as for the Android smartphones as well as for iOS smartphones. As you can see here below, it's available in the App Store, even in the Google Play Store, and below just scroll down you can see it's available for Mac OS. You can see here it's available for Chrome web browser also, so you can use it and get it for any computer or smartphone device. So let me download this for my Windows computer. Wait for a few seconds until the complete downloading is done. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me minimize this. So you can see here the software installer. Just double click it to run the software installer. So wait for a few seconds, it's starting to download and install it automatically. So you need the internet connections since it's an online installer. So wait for a few seconds until the complete downloading and installing of this software is done. So now click on install to proceed with the installation. So you need to wait a few more seconds until the complete installation of this software is done. So finally the installation of this software is done. You can click on done and you can see here shortcut icon of this application on your desktop. So just double click it to run the application. So you can see here, you can just see here start 7 days free trial, or you can just continue with ads and limited features. So don't worry, you can use it for unlimited times if you use with advertisement, that is with limited features. So if you want to try the premium you can try, but here we're gonna talk with the free version. So there will be ads. Just continue with this one, decline offer. Now you can use it. Just click on connect. Now it will find the available VPN network for you. So wait for a few seconds. So finally once it turns into blue and in the smiley face icon, then that means your VPN has been connected successfully using the BetterNet. So let us try to open a browser website again. So let me go to the Google. So definitely it's working. So you can see here it's finally working. So in my opinion, these are the 3 best free virtual private network for Windows, Mac, Linux, Chromebook, Android and iOS devices that you should definitely check it out by yourself. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.